Today's session, I want to talk to you about websites and CRM, which is customer relationship management. It's basically a database for your customers. And we're going to cover what we do. We're going to talk about what you could use. We're going to also talk about which one to get first. Like, should you be getting a website first? Should you be getting a CRM first? Can you create landing pages off CRMs? And yes, you can create landing pages off CRMs. There's a whole bunch of reasons why you don't want to do that, and also some of the cheaper ones won't do that either. So the ideal solution, let's start with that. So the ideal solution would be a website and a CRM, where you have the website and then you've got specific landing pages. So for example, on one of our websites, which actually we'll show you, if I can just bring it up, we've got, oh gosh, I can't type today, holiday acquisitions. I don't know why I can't do this. Shocking today. I don't know why I can't type. Hotel, there it is. Right, okay, so let me share this screen for you. Okay, so one of our websites is this one. I'll show you this on a second screen. So one of the businesses that we run is a hotel acquisition business, and on here, so you see the two things at the top: sell your hotel for free or buy a hotel. We actually haven't got specific landing pages. We have a what's called a pop-up, and then the contact details are on there. And again, or if you go to our main website, actually let's show you the website audit page. Oh, that's website design. Website audit. This is an example of a landing page. And you'll notice, by the way, you've got forms on each one of these. And the forms are all designed to get customers' data. And the reason why we use our website as an example is it's a really good reason to show you why people have more trust in this website. I'm going to cover trust shortly. But here, this is just an example of a very quick landing page, a very quick and dirty landing page. It's basically, it's got one thing to do, and that one thing is to get people's contact details. And that's the one thing that we want them to do. You can have the pop-up as well, but most CRMs won't do this, of course. You'll just have a very bad landing page, and that's not necessarily something that you want. So let me bring you back to me. So when we're talking about which one do you want? Ideally, you want them both. And so you should have a website and you should have a CRM. But obviously, when you're first starting out in business, you can't really afford both of those. And we'll cover which one is the best solution for beginners just a little bit further down. But all businesses have a website. Like, you think of a successful business. Even if a website's done in 1998, they still got a website. It might not be, might not look very good, but it's still there and it still exists. And so you should have a website. And I see a lot of people, and they're starting out in business and they're not committing fully to that business. And it's like, let's take property sourcing, because I know that's where the lead came from. Not the lead, the question came from, a property sourcer. You're either going to do property sourcing or you're not. And if you are, you've got to get compliant. And if you are, you want to have a website and a CRM and business cards and all the other things that go with having a business. Doesn't matter if you're a plumber or a plasterer or a butcher or whatever. Even, people are like, well, why would a butcher have a website? Even better, you could put special offers on a website, and then people can order on an evening to come in to collect the next day. Like, you're going to make so much more money doing stuff like that. And people are still living in the 1980s where they can't kind of think about how they want their business to run. And the more that you can do, not face-to-face with people, i.e. online, the easier it's going to be for you to be able to close business. So you should be having a website regardless. And also, I should add, one of my little bugbears about websites is that people don't know how many visitors they're actually getting. So not only should you have a website, but you should have some search engine optimization. Let me rephrase that. You should have some Google Analytics on there, and then you can start optimizing your website for whatever location you happen to be in with whatever product you happen to sell. But you've got to have a website.